Hello, my name is Robert Kopanik. I'm the Product Development Manager at NanoAffix Science. And today I'd like to show you or make a demonstration of our new NanoAquasense lead testing meter. The very first thing I'd like you to do is get out your kit and get everything laid out in front of the table when you're ready to begin testing. And the very first step is to collect your water sample. We have a tube here with a mark at the 1 ounce line. You take this, and to it we are going to add 2 reagents. First, an acid digestion, where we'll add 5 drops. And next, a reducing agent, which will add 10 drops. And you want to close your sample vial, invert it 10 times, and you'll need to let this sample set for 10 minutes. While you're doing that, you can get your app called up on your cell phone and get the device loaded. So here's the home page of the NanoTracer app. We're going to select lead test, connect to a device, then next. You'll be prompted to insert sensors. This is the proper way to grasp the sensor so you don't touch the active part. Put a sensor into each of the sensor ports. Put the sensor housing cover back on. Then you'll hit confirm and calibrate. And the app will go through a dry test of the sensors. The next step is to add the blank. You're going to add 3 drops into each of the ports. And that's the bottle with the yellow label. One thing to be careful of here is to look down and make sure that you don't have any air bubbles. Once you've added your blank, you hit confirm and begin the blank test run. Now we're going to fast forward this video because it takes about a minute to a minute and a half for both channels to run. Okay, next you'll be prompted to add your actual sample. You're going to take one of the disposable pipettes that we provide, and it's taking a 100 microliter sample. You'll add that to each port. And don't throw this pipette away because you're going to use it to clean out the sample after the test is run. Hit confirm and begin test. And again, the app will go through a test of both the A and the B channel. Okay, and as you can see, we got a readout for this sample of 12.5 ppb for the lead concentration. And at this point, if you want to, you can add comments as to the date or anything you want about the sample you took. And then to finish, simply hit finish. You'll be prompted whether you want to save it or actually finish. You hit yes, and that'll take you back to the main screen. Now what I want to show you is if you're conducting multiple samples, you're going to just use the same pipette to get rid of the bulk of the sample. And then take off the sensor housing lid, and you can use some of these disposable wipes that we provided, swabs, and get the bulk of the material off of there. The sensors you're going to put in your used sensor bag, and please return these to us for a discount on your next purchase of sensors.